Well, it's a multi-tiered strategy in most cases, starting with that good old multi-factor authentication that you keep hearing about. So when you enter your password, you get a prompt on your phone, either through SMS or an authenticator app. That would be the first step you take. The next would be strong, unique passwords. The longer the password, the more complex, the longer it's going to take hackers to break through. If you can't remember a really long password, highly recommend you use a password manager. There's plenty of them out there. Make sure you use one that has a strong record for security. And finally, you might want to consider something like dark web monitoring. And a lot of password managers actually include that. So if your common passwords are leaked on the dark web, you're going to get a notification. It's going to tell you that this password might be risky or potentially could be compromised. And then you can be sure to change it and use something a little more safe, pair it with multi-factor authentication. And those are some of the strongest steps you can take to keeping your data secure in the cloud.